Lesson: Overview of employment law. Employment law serves as a critical framework for managing the relationship between employers and employees, providing a structured environment for addressing workplace issues. It encompasses a wide array of regulations and practices designed to ensure fair treatment, prevent discrimination, and promote health and safety within work settings. A comprehensive understanding of employment law is indispensable for HR leaders who must navigate legal complexities while fostering a productive and equitable workplace. The foundation of employment law lies in its regulatory nature, bridging the interests of both employers and employees. From recruitment and hiring processes to termination and retirement, employment law provides the guidelines necessary to maintain a legally compliant workplace. For HR professionals, the ability to interpret these laws and apply them practically is vital, as it not only shields the organization from legal repercussions, but also enhances employee satisfaction and retention. For example, understanding the nuances of anti-discrimination laws helps HR leaders implement policies that promote diversity and inclusion, thereby creating a workforce reflective of broader societal values. One of the practical tools HR leaders can utilize is the implementation of a compliance checklist. This tool can serve as a guide for ensuring that all employment practices adhere to current laws and regulations. By regularly reviewing and updating this checklist, organizations can proactively address potential legal issues before they escalate. For instance, a compliance checklist might include verifying that employment contracts are up to date and reflect any changes in legislation, ensuring that job descriptions are free from discriminatory language, and confirming that employee handbooks are consistent with current labor laws. Another critical aspect of employment law is wage and hour regulation, which governs issues such as minimum wage, overtime pay, and work hours. HR leaders must be adept at implementing frameworks that ensure compliance with these regulations. A practical approach involves conducting regular audits of payroll systems to detect any discrepancies or potential violations. Moreover, utilizing software solutions that automatically update with changes in wage laws can help maintain compliance efficiently. For example, an HR department might use such software to track employee hours and calculate overtime pay, ensuring that all employees are compensated fairly and according to the law. Employment law also addresses workplace safety, a domain largely regulated by entities such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration in the United States. HR leaders play a pivotal role in fostering a safe work environment by implementing safety protocols and conducting regular training sessions. A step-by-step application of this might include developing a comprehensive safety plan that outlines potential hazards, emergency procedures, and the responsibilities of both management and employees in maintaining safety standards. Regular training not only helps in compliance, but also empowers employees to contribute actively to a safer workplace. For instance, a manufacturing company might conduct monthly drills and safety workshops to ensure employees are prepared for potential emergencies. Addressing discrimination and harassment in the workplace is another critical component of employment law. HR leaders must be equipped with strategies to prevent and respond to such incidents effectively. An actionable framework involves creating a robust anti-harassment policy that clearly defines unacceptable behaviors, outlines reporting procedures, and details the consequences of violations. Additionally, regular training sessions should be conducted to educate employees about these policies and foster a culture of respect and inclusion. For example, an organization might implement a confidential reporting system that allows employees to report incidents anonymously, thereby encouraging victims and witnesses to come forward without fear of retaliation. Case studies provide practical insights into the application of employment law. Consider the landmark case of Ledbetter v. Goodyear Tire and Rubber Co., where Lilly Ledbetter sued her employer for pay discrimination. Although the Supreme Court initially ruled against her, the case led to the enactment of the Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act in 2009, which reset the statute of limitations for filing equal pay lawsuits. This case underscores the importance of HR leaders maintaining transparent pay practices and conducting regular salary audits to ensure equity and compliance with pay discrimination laws. In the realm of employee termination, employment law provides guidelines to ensure fairness and legality. HR leaders must approach termination with a well-documented process that protects the rights of both the employee and the organization. A practical tool for this purpose is the development of a termination checklist that includes steps such as reviewing the employee's performance history, ensuring compliance with contractual obligations, and conducting an exit interview. This not only minimizes the risk of legal action, but also provides valuable feedback for organizational improvement. Employment law is not static. It evolves in response to societal changes and technological advancements. HR leaders must stay informed about legislative developments and adapt their strategies accordingly. Engaging in continuous professional development, such as attending workshops or enrolling in courses on employment law, can enhance an HR leader's proficiency and ability to manage legal challenges effectively. For instance, the rise of remote work arrangements necessitates a reevaluation of employment policies to address issues such as data privacy, work hours, and employee monitoring. In conclusion, a thorough understanding of employment law equips HR leaders with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complex landscape of workplace regulations. By implementing practical tools such as compliance checklists, wage audit systems, safety protocols, and anti-harassment frameworks, HR professionals can ensure legal compliance while fostering a positive and inclusive work environment. The ongoing evolution of employment law demands that HR leaders remain vigilant and adaptable, continuously seeking to enhance their expertise and apply best practices in their organizations. Through proactive and informed management, HR leaders can not only mitigate legal risks, but also contribute to a more equitable and productive workplace.